Local news for Tuesday the 12th of June. The annual Capital Coast Surf Lifesaving Regional Awards of Excellence were held over the weekend, with Riversdale's Mike Taylor winning the prestigious Volunteer of the Year award. Mike is the Chief IAB Examiner, the Lifeguard Award Examiner, VHF Radio Instructor and Assessor, and also part of the year-round call-out squad, and drives from Wellington to Kapiti every month to participate in the local lifesaving committee. Well done, Mike. Masterton's Prestige Joinery has won the Best Joiner in Wellington Regional Award at the ceremony held in Auckland on Sunday night. Promoting excellence in joinery and design and craftsmanship, the New Zealand Master Joiner Awards were held at the Villa Maria Estate. And in sport, Wairarapa United men have gone down 6-1 to Western Suburbs on the weekend, while the women continue winning with a 3-1 win over C2. In netball, the under-15 and Year 8 teams won their respective grades away at tournament to the weekend, and wins in the Premier grade went to Celtic, Harcourts and Gladstone.